Okay, trip pal. What am I saying? Who's this one? Hold on a second. Who was that down here? Sawmill, do you want me to record what I just showed you? Was that a yes? No? Talk to me. Yeah? Sure? Oh my god, that's so like, oh yeah, sure, Bellion, whatever. Okay, so look, add mesh cube. Let's start with yours and then we'll go to trip pal next, okay? Cube. S for scale. Press Z, come down. Okay, so something like this, up or down. There it is. I'm looking around going, yeah, not bad. If I hit S and Y, I can scale on the Y. Okay, there it is. Period key to frame it. Nice. Now we press tab. Go to 3 for face. Click here. Okay, E for extrude. Out it goes. All right. So this is called blocking. Never get caught up with the details of your designs. Do the big shapes first. Okay, big shapes first. Let me press E here, go up, and then E again for extrude, boom, and then click here, E, and then shoot it out like that. Okay? All right, so now what you're doing is saying, oh yeah, but I want this curve, Mr. Bally. No problem. This is the time where you bring the cut tool one at a time. Get out. Come here to vertex mode. Now, because I'm in this view, I could select it, but be careful. Sometimes it's easier just to come in here. Ay, 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 that sound is so annoying. Okay, yeah, here we go. Oh, anyway, yep, good reaction. So you see, this is pointing out, and you said to me it's now rounding it, right? So now we go one cut at a time. 1 and 1, get out. Come back here, look at it. Let's go to top view by pressing 7. Now, because I'm in X-ray mode, which is this one, I'll just do both. So you can go select like this, marquee select, hold shift, marquee select, hold shift, and round it out. Okay, so you can add another cut after. So here, 1, hold shift, 2, now it's rounded out. Okay, just make sure things are looking okay before you add other cuts, because getting into the cut zone is kind of like a big rabbit hole. You'll like go, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So if I press 1, now I can select all of these forward. Take these ones maybe back. Okay, I can take this and slide it over and down if I want to round it out like that, right? I can move these two over in like that on an angle if I want, whatever you want, okay? Now, if you want more cuts, now is the time to add, but not early on. Don't do this early on because it's too much. Get out. Go to top view, press 7. There it is. So now we can come in here, select these guys, shift select these ones, and then push them out a bit just to round it out. So you might want to do another cut in between these two to round it out. Does that make sense? Yes or no? Talk to me. Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Hello? That was good? Okay. So you see now, it's not as rounded, right? So you take your time, makes perfect sense. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Look, so now you see how nice and curved that is? Nice and curved because we took our time, okay? Adding cuts to me is I don't know, man. It's just what I want to say is you gotta take your time and tread carefully because sometimes I get lost in a maze, right? So look how nice and curvilinear that is. So here we go. Just a little more. We're good. Now another thing you could do. What am I doing? Tab. Why am I tabbing? Let's see. Let me press Z for a second and go to solid here. Okay, so look. Another thing you can do if you want to, go to edge mode here afterward. Let's say you finish this, right? Let me get out of this. Okay, this is something new right now, buddy. Watch this. I'm holding Alt or Option, Shift selecting. I don't know what I just pressed there. That was kind of cool. Shift left click, Shift left click, Shift left click, Shift left click. With Option held down. Do you see that? Let me see if my bevel is going to work. Earlier it wasn't working. Insert faces, bevel right there. So let's see if we can bevel this a bit. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this. Bevel. Do some knocks in there. 1, 2. Look how nice that is now. You rounded it out. Nobody submits work with sharp edges. There's no such thing in our world, or else everybody would be cutting their hands. So look at any computer you have, anything you hold, the keyboards. There's a light bevel, small bevel in here. Otherwise, I would have cut my fingers, right? So you could do that on the top and the bottom, okay? I'm going to say that's it for you. C'est fini. Good? Good. All right. Let's go. Now this one here, this triangular one, right? Anytime, buddy. Okay, let's do something different here. Add. We're going to go down a curve line. Let's see. Do we have anything? Polygon. Let me see if this works. I've never tried this in this app, but let's see. Most apps. Oh my God! It came out as a triangle. You are so lucky, Trippa pal. Look at that. Look at this. Which one? Okay. Okay. Look. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. In the preferences, right? It's not part of. This is just add curves. Do you have this? Can you check if you have it right now? Add curve to polygon. Polygon. Do you have polygons? You don't? Okay, so then we got to do this. Edit, preferences, and then you have to go right here. Add-ons, add curve extra objects. I just found this. Yeah, see that? Look at that. Oh, baby. What was the other one that we said? Was this the one yesterday I was looking at, extra objects? I think it is, eh? Okay, let's see what this is. Did I do any more? I must have done more. Archy mesh. There's some sweet stuff in here, man. Oh, there's add mesh extra objects. And let's go add mesh. Yeah, whatever. Add curve extra objects. How's that? Good? Woohoo! All right. And then down here, look, it's set to autosave. Autosave. Nice. Thank you, Blender. So check this out, right? Now you see how it's triangular, right? And as soon as I change that, obviously you go 5, 6, and hexagon, octagon, 8, and so on. So now, let me see how I could... Oh, man, I don't know, dude. I might just do a royal fail here. I don't know. Why can't I extrude this? Let me see. If I press E, can I extrude? No. No, it's not working. Oh... Yeah, we can do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Awesome suggestion, dude. But I've seen people... Hang on a second, man. This makes no sense to me. Add one more. Let's give it one more try, okay? If we go with circle... Okay. Now, this is not the circle I know. Is it? Okay, forget this nonsense. Okay, let me come back to you guys on this one. Let's go to the cube that you're talking about, right? Let me go delete. Let me try this. This is a royale fail here. Royale. Okay, let's go to cube, dude. Cube, okay? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring one side in, you're saying, right? Or here's something you could do. Yeah. Here, watch this. Tab. Let me just go in here. Face, 3. Here, right? And I'm going to go to scale, right? Watch this. S on the red, right? Just bring it in like this right now, right? Hang on there, okay? Just stay with me. Do you see that? Okay, hold on. I know. I'm about to show you that. Get ready, okay? This is the thing I showed you guys yesterday with the pointy end. So if we select these 2 points, which are verts, right-click, merge vertices to center. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Merge vertices at center. Done. Woohoo! Take that. Take that, Blender. Blender's awesome. All right, so okay, so see what I just did? I did an extrude, right? Okay. Okay, so this next part I've never done before, but I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, so this is roughly your block, right? And let me ask you, did you watch The Fifth Element yet? Please answer truthfully. Say honestly. Honest? No. You're killing me, man. You're killing me. Okay, watch this. All right, watch. You got to watch it, man. Go to Netflix, put it on. Okay, so look. Knife. This is new for me, okay? So you got to come in here somehow, I think. Cut and go around. Boom. Spin. Middle scroll. Cut. Spin around. Come back to the beginning. Done. And then press return or enter. Nice. Let me do it again. Ready, buddy? 1, 2. Spin around. I'm just left clicking with my mouse, okay? Left clicking to the beginning to the end. Okay, so that's the idea. Return. Okay, how nice is that? Now we get out of the tool, right? This is sweet. So now we go back to face mode. Hold shift. Boom. Or, man, there's so many things we could do here. This app is insane. Okay, hang on. Let me try something different. Hold on one sec. Well, here we can do what we know already, right? Extrude along normals. We can just come in here, Ooh, this is cool. Dude, that's looking wild. Okay, that's one option, okay? Okay, well, option one. All right, let's go to option two. I have to press Command Z a few times. That was wild, by the way. I love that. This is where you get those happy accidents, right? No, honestly, like seriously. So here, loop. Let me see what I can do. Click out, left click, shift left click, because it's a weird cut. It doesn't loop naturally, okay? So this is only in Blender that I know how to do this, I think. Let me go to bevel. Let's see what bevel does. Oh, sorry, I'm losing it. This is too much fun. Okay, see? Look what we just did. We just did an indent. We did an inlay. Inlay, baby. Look, one, shift left click, and then, oh man, that's sweet. Yes. So what you do is you pay attention to this, okay? So if this was 0.022, for example, watch, shift left click here, this should loop. No, it did not loop. That's okay. Now we just go in here and go point. Let me just, come on, dude, do this for me, okay? Right there. There we go. So we go 0.022, for example. So it's the same size, right? Okay, so if you didn't understand the cut tool that I did, you just do horizontal cuts, right? And then you come in here and go, okay, get out of there, mister. Okay, there we go, like this. Up, down, for example. Like you know what I mean? This is another method, right? So this is really cool. So later, okay, when we go to this part, I'm going to show you first here. Let's say this is the part that you want glass, right? So now we go tab this guy, go to face mode, select 1, 2, 3, for example, okay? So now I'm going to add a color to this, okay? I don't know if this is going to work. Oh yeah, look at this. So you see where I went? Beach ball. New. Where is this guy? Add. Come on, man. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Whew. Okay. Okay, there's material 1, okay? Material 1. Okay, we're going to say glass, whatever, right? Glass. Boom. So basically I want 2 pluses in here, so 2 materials basically, okay? So this one's going to be like, let's say bright something here. Come on, buddy, show me your color, will you? Oh, it's right here. Okay, there. That color. Okay, and then you assign. You hit assign, okay? Now you're going to say, Balian, I can't see anything. Wait for it. You got to come over here, unfortunately. Oh, now the whole thing is selected. That's great. Prove me wrong. Hold on. I'm not done. Okay, let's go to this one and just go call this, double click here. Let me hit new. Let's call this base, okay? Base. Maybe base wood, whatever. So now we're going to go with orange, okay? So like kind of woodish down here. Something like that, okay? There. Okay? Done. And then we're going to assign. I think we are. Where's my assign, buddy? Why am I not assigning? Because I haven't selected anything. That's why. Okay, wait for it. Tab. Watch this. A for all, right? Are you with me? I'm going to assign this color. Boom. Okay? Nice. See how it's all here, right? So now I'm going to select this inside one, and now you need a third one for the metal piece that goes around it. So this one goes to blue, and you assign. Magic, baby. Magic. And then, oh yeah, isn't that sweet? That deserves an oh yeah. Right here. Now we're going to go metal insert, okay? So I'll double click, MTL, and then underscore insert, for example. Okay, whatever. And this one will go as like a silverish color. Like I don't think I can figure that out. Usually you can bring colors. Yeah. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so now we go into face mode here, right? We go in here slowly. Let me see if I can do Alt Shift. No, you can't. Okay, Shift one at a time. Shift. Nice, right? So you go in here, metal insert, assign. Thank you very much. Remember, I'm in this guy here. This is gray. There is a way to show this in this mode. I'm not going to confuse people. I'm going to come here. If I click out now, look how nice that looks. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. I mean, 1 minute, please. Help each other out. Ask someone in class, please. Guys, you got to help each other. Oh, it's almost end of class. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, and then assign. How sweet that is. Okay, well, I did not select it for some reason. Okay, let me try that again. Tab. Hey, Balian, come on, man. Press assign. Oh, I didn't go here and then assign. Okay, there you go. That did it. Now we tab out. Look how nice that is. See? That's what I'm talking about for you. Now in here, okay, I'd rather you just So one thing that I always do, I duplicate my pieces before I cut, right? But anyway, tab for you. Let's do this. Let's go to inset. This I would have preferred if you actually had another piece. There is a way to do this. So here, watch this, like that. See how nice that is? And now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to tab out. I'm going to select this face again, and I'm going to get out of this. Watch this. Right click. Is there a separate in this? Oh yes, there is, dude. Look, separate selection. Okay, look at this. Tab out. You select this piece now. Here. Okay, there. Right click. Set origin here. Just hold on one sec. So see here? It's on its own now, right? Oh man, my extrude better work now. E. Oh, let me tab first and then go to face. Let's go to E to extrude. Oh. Ah! Woo! Who's excited here? Okay, me. Do you see that? So that's your insert, which is the fifth element. Oh my God, you're missing all of my references. Okay, so shift. Okay, this should be its own thing, right? Let me just make a new one. I don't know why it's giving me this right now. So if I go new, I go glass. Okay, glass. Okay, some other color. So let's just go to green, bright green. Let's just. Of course, dude, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so let's select this. Press A for all, right? It better be selected. It didn't do it. What's going on here? A. Oh yeah, it is. Now I'm going to go to green glass and assign. Okay? I'm going to make this glow, by the way. It's over here. Where is it? Emission. You'll see it later, okay? So don't worry about it. Emission here. Let's go with a green glow and so on and so on. This will show in the render. I'll do an extra lesson for that after, okay? Another lesson, I mean. So look. So basically now, if we add a camera, we don't have a camera right now to render, but this is yours right here. But you got to give me all the other stuff, okay? Okay. Remember, do that other method, the extrude and invert inside, once you have the cuts. That would look cool. That's wild. And then yeah, try it. Anyway, try it, okay? I'll save this. Okay, so this is just called demo. Demo today. My pleasure, anytime. Did I spell it right? Yeah, I did. Okay, sign out here. Okay, stop recording. 18 minutes.